Holistic health for dogs, cats. Time to give your pet a voice. The 5Strands Pet Food Intolerance Test offers intolerance testing to 275 plus commercial pet food ingredients. Proteins, grains, additives, preservatives, fruits, seafood, meal, vegetables, etc. The results will create an instant elimination guideline, identifying temporary imbalances and saving you time and money. How are we different? With this at-home collection kit, learning about how your pet is responding to their current diet has never been so easy. We use bioresonance technology to determine the food items creating an imbalance in the gut microbiome. Once you know what food items may be causing your pet discomfort, the results will guide you toward helping eliminate any intolerance or sensitivities. These imbalances when removed allow the gut time to rebalance. Actual reviews. Do not just take our word for it. Read our hundreds of verified testimonies. Our USA small business is on a mission to empower people with educational information about their pet's health to reduce everyday discomforts like paw biting, scratching, upset stomach, hot spots, eye boogers, hair loss, etc. When you eliminate the food items from their diet, you can see symptoms lessen or disappear. Sometimes you may have to change protein sources or stop feeding processed pet food. Why customers love 5Strands. Many customers find answers to problems that traditional medicine could not solve. Our holistic approach using energy-based technology allows us to get to the root cause of any dietary discomforts. Create a lifestyle and dietary change that will last. No more prescriptions or blood work. Just a hair sample. Learn how to provide rotation and moderation to your nutrition plan today. Buy now risk-free. Our process is simple. Purchase kit, register kit, collect hair sample, send back to 5Strands, receive testing results on customer portal within 5 to 7 days of your sample's arrival. Be sure to keep your tracking information when sending back hair sample. This test requires 100% interaction to see any results. This is not a quick fix. It is an investment in better health. Top reviews from the United States. Very complete. My Yorkie has allergies, so she is always licking her paws and scratching at her ears. I've tried high-end dog food, Apoquil, organic baths, and nothing helped. I was so frustrated because I did TKO what things she was allergic to. This test was so easy to do, and the results pretty encompassing. I think it will helps me choose foods that my girl won't react to so much.